It's good to be back in camp again. Obviously, we had to wait 3 months to get back together, and it was a painful 3 months because of our experiences at the AFCON and the disappointment. So I think there was a lot of reflection that was done. A lot of guys had to go and check where we got it wrong, our identity as a team. And yeah, it was a very painful moment, but I think we've had a good chat with the coach and the technical team over the last few days. And you can see the team is slowly coming back. The identity, the energy, and training has been amazing. So hopefully, we can keep that and learn from AFCON and just grow and try and be better.